Okay, today's Planisphere Lab. First of all, in Google Classroom, I put the link that you will need, but the packet that you need is right here, just a few below that. So in your packet, we've watched the video, you've taken notes from the book. Today, we're doing the Planisphere Lab. So you're going to use the digital planisphere to see how the Big Dipper, Ursa Major, and Little Dipper, Ursa Minor, will look at 8 p.m. tonight. So you're going to adjust it to be 8 p.m. and you're going to sketch those patterns in the space below. So let's kind of look at that. And then you're going to make some predictions. Then you're going to use your planisphere again to check those predictions. And then think about what else in our sky to, answer these questions. Then you're going to rotate it and keep an eye near the center. What constellations almost never leave our sky throughout the year? So rotating it, change your date. But then you can look on your birthday at what times of day is it visible in the sky too, okay? So let's look at the planisphere. So there's a link. It says launch the planisphere. That's where you're going to click on.
I guess I'm a free dead. So who wants it on me?
5, 6. It in the corner. Right where Elena is. So Elena needs to find her seat so that you can sit in your seat. All right, see this time right here?
No.
I'm guessing this is like a 24-hour clock.
Yeah.
So like
we don't need to go back.
13 would be 1 o'clock. It would be right now. This is what our sky looks like right now. What horizon are we looking from?
I don't know.
Well, there's western or eastern.
Western. Eastern.
I guess you could look.
That was a real east left there. I know. What do you say?
All right, so constellations, if you're looking for a specific constellation, do you see here where it says planisphere? You can click that caret and you'll see specific constellations. So if you're looking for specific ones, there's Ursa Major, right? So maybe start there. Whoa. And you can read about it. And it will help you figure out. There's different galaxies in them.
Galaxies?
So these are all the different parts of Ursa Major. And I don't think you can change the time on these things, but when you go back, you can kind of click on that back thing. You can click on constellations. And when you click on them, they might tell you what they are. When you go back, if you're just hanging out over them, like this one, it says Sagittarius, M16 Sagittarius, M27. So if you want to see the different parts of Ursa Major, then you might want to click this, choose constellations, and click on Ursa Major and see the different numbers. So you might want to look for those as you toggle over them. There it is, they're part of it. Here's some other parts of it. Do you see that? These are the stars that make up that Ursa Major here. So this one, 101, 97, 81 and 82, and this NGC 2841. So it's like right here. That's interesting, right? But that's at 1300. So now watch what happens, because in our packet, what are we actually looking for?
The Big Dipper, the Small Dipper.
We're looking for Ursa Major as part of it, right? Yes. Ursa Major is the first part. So looking there, it says, what's it going to look like at 8 p.m. tonight? So if we go up.
This is pretty much predicting the future. Yeah, you can like predict the future.
So 2000 is 8 p.m. Do you see how it rotates around? So maybe draw in your circle and right where the configuration is, and you can kind of label that there. So you would put today's date, right? You would put the time, which is going to be 8 p.m. tonight, and then sketch the pattern to mark the compass directions there. See, this is kind of like a compass. It is weird, yes.
Is the USA baseball team going to the World Final?
I don't know. All right. So then predict where it will be at 11, right? Then check the prediction. What else in our sky does the exact same thing? Yada, yada, yada. No, you're doing this right here.
Yeah, but it said you have to predict.
You're predicting and then you're changing the time.
Oh, I see what you're.
All right. If you would like to work in partners, that is okay, but please no more than 2 people. Please keep your voice at a level 1 or below so that people who are choosing to work may get these 2 pages done. I think it's kind of an interesting lab. Tomorrow we're going to do a little bit more hands-on without our Chromebook lab with flashlights and globes and a whole good time. Okay? All right. Let me know if you need anything.